Hi, I'm Scott Campbell. Welcome to my window painting tutorials. Lesson 37, Hot Weather. It was about 91 degrees today. This is going to be a quick video. So I want to talk about a couple things. First thing is you work on the side that's not in direct sunlight, and you have to plan your day around that. And so that's what I did when I went back to Burgerville and Beaverton. So you can see this whole side is shaded. And I did this in about an hour, this whole side, because I spent so much time on the other side and all the details. Now on this side it's in direct sunlight, so you have to make sure you approach it a little bit differently. Yeah, it was pretty blistering, so you got to make sure you're hydrated. You wear a cap or something to protect your face. Use some SPF 30 or 40, and wear a long sleeve shirt or at least a t-shirt that's white to reflect the heat. But here I'm reaching over because I'm kind of blocked by a trash can. But yeah, this side was hot, and it's probably about 10 degrees hotter, so it's over 100 degrees on that one side. But anyway, here's the side I did yesterday, which was in the shade, and then when I started working on this other side, it started getting some sun. So I did less on this other side. I mean, it's a lot of stuff, and it's really eye-catching, but you can see there's not quite as many characters, but it's definitely just as effective. We got the crazy sun and the Walla Walla sweet onion rings and flying through the air. And but I did get a chance to do a character of a blackberry shake, and it says cool it. The L and the cool is in the straw, which is cool. And so I did manage to finish it all up. Oh. And you can always do this too if you want. Just take a bunch of ice and throw it in your cleaning water.